Welcome to Boat Week on the RC Sailors. Today we're going to take a look at a speedboat.
See if we can do donuts around this.
Okay, all right, let's zoom in.
Oh, I gotta get it just perfect.
Nice. Nice.
No,
oh, that's okay. Go full throttle. Don't hold back. Don't hold back.
Hold on. I gotta line it up. There we go.
There you go.
Oh, no.
You got it. You got it.
No,
you're doing it.
It's pushing it.
Oh. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia is with Grandma. Popeye's battening down the hatches. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today we're going to take a look at a pretty good size water-cooled RC boat. Completely ready to run for under $50. Cannot complain about that at all, unless there's something wrong with it. And that's what we're going to do today. Figure out if there's anything wrong with this or not. I'm hoping it's a good quality boat. Generally speaking, you got a 50-50 shot at getting something really good at that price point. So today we're going to take a look at this, slap it in the water, and go for you guys, let you know what we think. So let's cut right to it, have some fun with this boat. Well, that was easy. Let's try it one more time. I don't know if it's always self-righting or you have to juice it to self-right, so let's go a little bit easier here. There you go.
Self-righting boat, it works. Hopefully we don't hit any tree trunks today.
Yeah, so this is way faster than our little fish boat we had. There you go, full throttle. Always a bit of a head turner. Even at this price point, when you see something like this skimming across the water, it's not every day that you see this. And so anytime you have fishermen out or just people enjoying the lake, the sound alone and the water splashing up always draws a crowd. So that's pretty fun to be able to do that for, this is actually $45. Good size boat. Let's go by pretty quick. Listen to that go, guys. For 50 bucks, that's ripping pretty good. We always try to respect people's space too when we're here driving RC boats. If there are fishermen along the banks, we do our best to keep our distance. So today, I want to be out in the middle of the lake just a little bit more than I usually would. Look at that, it turns on a dime.
I was zoomed and that was kind of chaotic. Did you hit that? Did you hit that?
I didn't hit it, but the fact that the rudder turns so sharp, look at that. If I want to, I can stop really quick. Full throttle, stop. That's fun. Guys, this is operating on a 2-cell 1500 milliamp LiPo battery. I'm going to pass the controls to Abby so she can have a little fun. Good. At the end of this video, we have a bonus boat to share with you guys.
Oh, I got so close.
Now you'll notice I didn't get the trim up perfect, but we're okay with that. It needs a little bit more trim to the left. Good range, right?
Yes.
You're way out there.
It's pretty good for 45 bucks.
I agree. That's what I'm saying.
It's a good price.
Fully proportional throttle and steering. I know I was full throttle like pretty much the whole time and giving it full throws on the steering too, but you can steer nice and light if you want to. It's a good size boat too, because what do you see?
You know what we need?
What do we need?
Do you know?
I don't know.
Donuts!
Donuts. Oh, okay. Water donuts. This one is like the tightest donuts ever. Wow.
It's gonna sink. This purple. Love it.
I forgot about donuts. Now watch the fishermen there, please.
I know.
Okay.
I'm not a child.
I didn't know if you saw them. They're hiding behind the tree. Oh, I almost hit that.
I feel like there's more debris in the water now than at the start of the summer.
There may be. Maybe we're just embarrassed because we've hit it like that. We just hit it. Like that, we just hit it. I was like, what? There's not a ramp in the water.
That was pretty fun,
just floating sticks.
And now I want to hit them all.
I don't know if we'd be so lucky on all of them, so take it easy. Well, this is just a fun spot to come. And what do you guys think of Boat Week on the RC Sailors channel? We've been doing a lot of trucks lately. Occasionally we throw in a plane. Definitely taking a break from hitting the drones so hard. Now a full-on Boat Week, just like Shark Week. We've got RC Sailors Boat Week. It is fun. Maybe we should drive this until we get a low battery warning.
It's fun.
It's a good boat. I like the bright white too. We've seen a lot of colors of RC boats, but I don't think we have a red, white, and black one like this. It's easy to see, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
I like that. Although I do like, every time we get a yellow boat, I'm always really happy with how bright it is. You trying to splash us?
I'm trying to splash you.
Ah.
Not quite fast enough
No.
to get a big enough rooster tail for that.
But it is kicking up quite a bit of water, isn't it?
Yes.
Now later this week, on Boat Week of the RC Sailors, we've got more boats to feed fish, and we're gonna have some unique racing boats. We've got this style, and we've seen a ton of this style, but we have a really cool dual pontoon boat and a couple other things that are very awesome. I'm really excited to test. Not that I'm not excited about this, but I am really looking forward to a couple more things coming to the channel. When you're driving a boat, you get this a lot. You just smile.
I could do boat donuts all day.
We thought we'd take a little break and show you guys the RC Surfer Dude boat that was given to us by one of our amazing, awesome
Farrell.
RC friends. Yes, Farrell, thank you. And unfortunately, we're not going to be able to put him in the water because although this setup looks fine, the transmitter isn't turning on. We do have our AA batteries in here, and we wanted to show you guys this because I know some of you would ask about it. So our batteries in there, and they're in there the right way. We can't get this to turn on, and when I pressed into these buttons, it all collapsed into the transmitter. So, sorry, my friend.
Oh, that would have been so cool.
He does float, and he does stand.
Oh, I'm so bummed.
Ah.
Look at his shadow in the water. Do you see that? It's
it
so
looks
funny.
Cool. They're fun. And I know not everybody has access to a cool pond or lake, but if you do, it's really worth spending 50 or 60 bucks and getting yourself a fun little RC boat. Maybe you went out fishing for the day and you didn't catch anything. Well, end the day on an RC boat.
Hit it. Almost hit it.
That would have been good. 1500 milliamp, 2-cell LiPo battery.
Ooh.
Very common to see these in trucks.
See if we can do donuts around this.
Okay, all right, let's zoom in.
Oh, I gotta get it just perfect.
Nice. Nice.
No.
Oh, it's okay. Go full throttle. Don't hold back. Don't hold back.
Hold on. I gotta line it up. There we go.
There you go.
Oh, no.
You got it. You got it.
No,
you're doing it.
It's pushing it.
Oh. Good job. You did it.
It's so fun.
RC boats. Back in the day, like if you just watch our videos of RC boats and you don't own one, you might think, well, you are limited to where you can run them. Absolutely. You can drive trucks usually way more places than you can drive boats for most of us watching. But you really shouldn't judge RC boats until you've owned and driven one. They are a lot of fun and they're very affordable. Very affordable. Well, I mean, you got to be careful. Sometimes you get a lemon. That's the point of our channel.
Or a cracked boat. We've had that this year.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, that was a big disappointment. But this, for $45, cannot go wrong.
Let's see.
Oh, you're going to try to go in between all of this?
Yeah. Probably get it stuck.
I will say the trim function on this is a little bit funky if you happen to get this. The trim function on here isn't the greatest. It's not like a little knob. You have to press the button and try to trim it up. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but wow. Very good little boat, right?
Yeah, the battery's lasting a long time.
Great runtime.
Did you see it got some air there?
Had a little bit of waves coming. Well, guys, if you like this, we'll have a link in the description box below. Also, don't forget to pick up some RC Sailors stickers while you're shopping. Maybe this isn't the thing you want to buy. that you haven't signed up to our Patreon page to help support us and keep the videos rolling, all this free content, well, maybe today's the day to sign up for that. We'd love to have you join the RC Sailor family. Guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.